If you're heading into Dollar General this weekend, don't just go thinking you hit the jackpot because you've got a 5 off when you spend 25. Here are some other high dollar coupons that you might have missed had you not watched this video. Now, we all like saving a little bit of change, but we're talking dollars here. We're going to start off with Febreze. If you're into the Febreze plug warmers, you can save $3.50 off of one Febreze plug scented oil warmer. Now, for that Mountain Dew lover in your life, you can save $4 when you spend $14 on any Mountain Dew packs, and there are various sizes. Now, this next coupon is far-reaching. It's on the Crest Adult Toothpaste. So you can save $5 on 3 adult Crest Paste 2.4 ounces or more, Crest 3D White Deep Stain Remover, Crest Kids Advanced, Burt's Bees Adult Paste, 4 ounces or more, Crest, Scope, or Oral-B, and it goes on and on and on. So you can read the fine print, but it covers quite a few of the Crest and Oral-B and Burt's Bees products. Now for this next deal, it may be cold outside right now, but spring, believe it or not, is right around the corner. So you can save $5 on any one non-drowsy Claritin. Now it has to be 20 counts or larger, or the Claritin Cooling Honey Flavored Liquid 8 ounce, and it does exclude the children's Claritin and Claritin D. For you Gain lovers out there, check and see if you have this coupon. It's save $5 on the Gain Oxy Waterfall Delight. Also, I have a digital coupon for save $5 when you spend $30 on any P&G fabric care products. Now let's just say you want to spend your entire $25 on tissue deals. Well, you may want to check out Angel Soft. You can save $5 when you spend $25 on any Angel Soft bath tissue, and that's from the 4 to the 16 count mega rolls. So when you pair that with the 5 off of 25, that's $10 off. Switching gears a little bit, we're going to get into a bundle deal. For this one, you can also save $5 when you spend $25 on any Charmin, Bounty, or Puffs products. Now we're going to switch gears a little bit here. So Dollar General also does something called cash back. And that's probably not a good term because it's a little bit confusing. We're all used to going to the register, you can pay with your debit card, and you get asked if you want cash back. Well, that's not what this is. Now, Dollar General has cashback offers within the app. So the way you get to it, just like you're looking for your digital coupons, when you open the Dollar General app, you can go to deals and you can filter for cashback offers. If you clip the cashback offer you want and buy the qualifying item and enter your phone number at checkout, the cashback amount is added to your DG wallet. It's not given at the register. So the next question is, how do you spend the Dollar General cash back? Well, you have to open the app, navigate to wallet, and then scan to spend. The cashier scans your Dollar General cash barcode. So your cash back applies to your next purchase. It's like store credit. So I know that can be very confusing, but that's the difference between cash back and a digital coupon. Now for your furry friends, there's a save $5 when you spend $25 on any Purina Beneful dry or wet dog food combined. Now we know saving an extra $5 is nice, but now we want to kick things up a notch. For the Colgate products, you can save $6 on any 4 Colgate Total, Max Fresh, Sensitive, Optic White Advanced Stain Fighter, purple or charcoal toothpastes, and there are select varieties, so make sure you pay attention to that. In addition to the toothpaste, it includes toothbrushes and mouthwash. But wait, there's more. So saving $6 is nice, but how about saving $8? Well, that is the deal with Always and Tampax. So you can save $8 on your next purchase when you spend $25 on Tampax, Always, or Always Discreet. And of course, I had to save the best for last. Swiffer Quick Clean. You can save $10 on 2 Swiffer Power Mop, Sweeper Deluxe, Sweeper XL, 3 feet or 6 feet duster starter kits, or Swiffer refills. So make sure again you pay attention to the details with this coupon. But these are your high dollar hidden coupons that you might have missed had you not watched this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day. Happy couponing, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.